Here is a phrase we use when we are stating how much we can guess or know how or when a certain thing will occur or happen. Something which can be predicted accurately is often described as being foreseeable. We might describe a change that can be roughly guessed as occurring in the foreseeable future. If something is foreseeable, it means it can be predicted or identified in advance. Foreseeable is the adjective form of the verb foresee, which means to see or know beforehand. Foreseeable is often used in the phrase the foreseeable future, referring to the span of time in the near future about which reasonable assumptions can be made. For example, unfortunately, due to the road closure, we'll be taking the detour for the foreseeable future. A guess can be made as to when that situation will end. It can be foreseen. It is foreseeable. Of course, the opposite is true. If a thing cannot be guessed or predicted as happening soon, that thing is unforeseeable. We do not know when that thing will happen. We cannot guess because we are unsure. Foresee is to look ahead whilst making a prediction. The thing has been foreseen. We have a certain amount of sureness about when that thing will happen and what the result will be. So if one states that something will happen in the foreseeable future, we are saying it will happen around a certain time, normally after other things have already occurred. I hope you will join me again for another English lesson. There will be another one coming in the foreseeable future.